Today's title is Reader's Corner Double Typhoons. The other day, 2 typhoons hit Japan one after another. Some news anchors called them double typhoons. I heard the phrase several times during the week. And it reminded me of my childhood about 50 years ago. Double Typhoon was the name of the belt that my favorite superhero wore at that time. He used its power to defeat bad groups, and the name always made us feel safe. I felt a little sad this time because the same name became something scary.
There are 2 questions. Please answer them. Question 1. Did 2 typhoons hit Japan one after another? Answer. Yes, they did. Question 2. What did some news anchors call the 2 typhoons? Answer. They called them double typhoons.
Next, please express your opinion. Question. What do you think about television news using catchy names like double typhoons for dangerous weather? Example. I think it is good because such names catch people's attention and help them prepare for the disaster quickly.
Did you enjoy this story? Please subscribe to this channel.
毎日2分で英語耳を鍛えたい方は、今のうちにチャンネル登録をお願いします。